Welcome back, soap fans. Today we are remaking Alive soap. Why, hello there. This is Lori from LauriLin Designs, and today I am making a happy little remake of one of my soap favorites. It's called Alive. It is an orange essential oil and citrus fragrance oil blend. I've been told it smells like orange starbursts. Yummy! In true Lori fashion, I am making this soap super fast for you and making a mess. I've had a little trouble with my whisk, and I also underestimated how much colorant I needed. Someday I'll figure this stuff out. I'm doing an in-the-pot swirl, also called an ITP swirl. It's one of the most basic swirls, but it has a great wow factor. I've also been on a clay extruder kick lately, so I made a bunch of circle noodles in yellow, orange, red, and white. I want the soap to feel like it has some excitement. What better than a pop of color? The trick here is to keep the embeds from swimming away from where I place them. I'm like the soap batter lifeguard, but instead of keeping the embeds safe, I'm trying to keep them in the deep end and under the water. Wait, that's like the reverse of a lifeguard. Bad analogy. I always make sure I ask for chopsticks when I eat Chinese food. I don't eat my food with the chopsticks. I hide them in my purse for later soap making. And maybe I require everyone else at the table to request chopsticks too. Shh, don't tell Moise. Soap dough balls are the finishing touch on the top. It just looks so friendly. Placing all these balls takes a lot of time. Let's speed this up again. Now on to slicing into loaves. I'm always nervous about this part because if I wiggle wrong, I can make wonky cuts on 6 bars. Then I would have to problem solve. Not that I'm bad at problem solving, I just don't prefer that to be my plan going in. You get me? Let's slice these puppies into bars. My bars come out to be around 5 ounces after curing for 6 weeks. That means that they're actually bigger than 5 ounces if you were to weigh them right now. The cure time takes out most of the water. Evaporation is awesome. That's why the handcrafted soap loses weight over time. It also makes the soap last longer. I make several products in the Alive scent. I do salt soap, pumice scrub, lip balm, and a lotion bar. Altogether, it makes a nice gift set, especially around the holiday season. You can find this on my website at LauriLinDesigns.com. Hint, hint. Link in the show notes. Hint, hint, hint. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring. See you next Sunday.